If your Excel formula is not working automatically, let me show you how to fix it. Okay, for example, like this, if we try to calculate something like this, by multiply by 20, and then it's something stuck like here. Okay, what is the problem? Okay, there's two things here. First of all, we check here first the data format here to check. So it not calculate, but there is a catch. Okay, for example, I change to general. I try again. It calculate, right? Calculate. But why it the same? Oh, I need to press it again. And oh my God. You see the problem? So if I change the volume right here to only one, this one not calculate until I press it again, it calculate. So let's go to figure it. Go to file, option, and then select formula, and then change it. Worksheet calculation automatically. Automatic. And then okay. Okay, this time let me try it. Okay, let me try it too. Okay, one. Yes, that's it. Okay, hope you learned something from video. See you next time.